business model canvas we see here, we are going to present according to business plan of NTEC Suomi Oy, the company that is selling the waterless car washing service. First part we are going to present you includes our key partners, key activities and key resources. Key partners. We have two main partners and others that we will meet in future. Key activities. The main service we present is the waterless car wash that can be applied in several places. The company reaches the client, not they reach the company. Key resources. We have three key resources: human, physical and financial resources. Now let's talk about value proposition. We've paid special attention to the newness, the accessibility, time, quality, price and place of the service we are going to apply. Customer relationships. The moment the relationship with the active shoppers is established and the relationship model with other two is under development. Customer segments. The target market are car owners with the income of average and higher. We divided it into three target groups, depending on where and why we can meet there. Channels. Strong attraction is that the customer do not have to drive somewhere to wash the car. It is always there. Cost structure. Our cost structure is easy to scale up and we always should value driving business to do it. Revenue streams. The most valuable things we have: simple model of our business, fixed pricing and time-saving service.